The static keyword is a magical ingredient that transcends the individual instances of a class and belongs to the class itself, rather than to any specific object created from it. It's like having a shared family treasure that everyone in the family can use, regardless of their personal possessions. In Java, when a variable, method, or block of code is marked as static within a class, it means it's associated with the class rather than with instances of that class. It's as if there's a mystical aura around that particular element, making it accessible to everyone in the Java universe without needing to create an instance of the class. Let's see an example. Shared counter is a magical treasure shared among all instances of the class. It doesn't matter how many objects you create, the counter is a shared entity accessible to everyone. Perform Magic is a magical incantation that can be invoked without creating an instance of the class. It has a shared impact on the magical occurrences. So, the static keyword in Java creates elements that exist at the class level, as if they are part of a shared magical realm that all instances can tap into. It brings a sense of unity and shared experience to the Java classes, making certain elements more universally accessible. See you again, thank you.